Ma wala bodomule bodo susra ibudul maraklay marubukul belaw ilong ma iberaklay marmasil belaw President Senate Hawkins Baules marugul senators Speaker Anastasio marugul delegates Chief Justice Niraigalaw marugul justices governors, lators, speakers ma tugubet sel susriyid el morar bek la adar belaw ngaray kera ablur belaw ma al sel ablur belaw ngara ablur ngayang al muro hotcharigi diregal malwil total mora vice president mar minister serugul masilom gedra al tutaw diregal director taxel elwe igada kida 2023 sadro sing atara igel most challenging year sergit kadidim bil ali arage emna tokora covid kadam dengin wasing mran lo kadam lo soy se beral agotel mring el tamra uk pero de la uror mar hospital gid magada diregal take time reflect mring asulir mring lurera our nurse mar toktang mar bek la del tira el mo masabak hospital ma au guru ledel niligid lang alak kasi eng moria oceans kada diregal imol blun lo mage gut pukla umra lo sang man mlen will conference el lecho ge sera blur bela help rigid uk promote gel effort rigid uk tigela omariyo ma omangat maklela alugel aknga rigid ligid amda se kudur toiring ira bekal sils umra lo sen diregal me help rigid on the world stage uk miskit sel recognition diregal mal batoga a request a interview constant rose ngara position belal gire legal to ese ase de lo ase kada mle parte seguida metel uktel wil gidra PIF naria time ngaria mle ona shora Australia say last time chega Australia degal island se continent mayelul de swira to climate change sometimes the table awana yid metil Masira ngara COP 26 thinking it by 2030 they reach 30%. Digid me se government amla range sel ambition and 43% reduction by 2030 and we want to encourage them to do more. As a Pacific country tira giril gotter me dergide gotter understand igel ngiangal senga challenge climate change they should be leading the way. Magadamal samaria sel announcement tira sorry mo hostra a COP 31 mela kadionit say be the leader and show the world say we can do it we can meet 50% by 2030 akora di share selling kita direkal me raise an ambition kita oceans say about 100% renewable by 2032 and we know we have a long ways to go Maria current project PPUC gets us up to 20 but we still have 80 more to go. This was otherwise was a beginning of the year, and we won't be here for the next press conference. Minister Udui, again, mo attend sel Irina ra Dubai. Part sa the renewable energy, and we want to find every way possible. Was a give them the transition. Sel tingila chan carriers and arter oceans, and was we shouldn't be held hostage to fossil fuels, and that's really where we are. Namas arala sell base rate a fuel from at one point 3 cents and 34 cents because nande ka choice rit tiadi arala alura blula and not only say arala adano krablura der tel nombre garraga ang ila sara ala hotel the highest inflation rate recorded Umra lo sablur bela elwing 13.5%. So there's things that we have to be thankful for. Minister of Finance table a budget we kind of lived within our means and we allocated money this year and no say the raise how do by 75 cents because that's per hour or $6 a day, $60 every payday. Basically, sell goal say help people live with increasing a lot of them. Send the stoppers and get them mal no secretary. Adital lo ngan sang sa de damal gida Mr. Talam sa ngartiang mung asya login sa staru sa minimum wage bill ang girel get. Ngari trial batokol al bebil diri ngara a private sector diri gamil to sel da borgira to se e kamam magi ukka gi gomlabe ser kamam mungil ka ngartiam kada mumre gair asel diamu la first session atira o mesri gadora onita segi del teal Mr. Trump sa bolsa later on mo ay sara update trigi dro se asenat girel get ne akora gadora mo la senga ngaring girelo mo kami leng gira del magal gora update ra adra blu se ngara gel urora olbi ma kelu kurora executive branch one of the things el direct travel emphasize here say we started the year el direct man masar tourist en mera blu bala we know we need to get a tourist back direct man mera sulit tigal partners here ablu ra Taiwan amlo gongel wase they'll give us 2 flights a week schedule edegal madep Australia amla gongel wase temetit sel 1 flight a week starting at February 28 ma minister ay tarom lamu le invite ra SPC in me conference ertera March Vice President okle invite ra tigal chiefs ra security ra Pacific el mera April and maybe there be a power water and sewer association those who say become before the end of the year magada agagi del best el flight to siga pebira tele la conferences mate al mera blur vela we know was it's slow but at least them lamul one of the reasons why male so get regular flight that's a commitment we know was China Airlines is losing money diga duling government etil was but yo espera commitment kami mare at times ang man le drop pa fare from Europe palmer belang man lo yasoy suddenly the mister adra Europe per midur travel and I know recently le drop pa flight rate at Taiwan bela adi mo $275 or something kind of just to entice the market and that's what we want commitment regal airlines we're hoping lo say deal Taiwan Australia mamrigel United hopefully tia si el overgal mo Singapore madrigal mula regular flights Korea mga mutro mula regular flights tir masyaval and hopefully year 2024 2023 will be a year of recovery because we also just heard there was a Sina beginning next year and directly the more relaxed borders on January 8th. So I think there will be more people and when I look to a better 2023. Mabisag namasokal mga 2023 kita dengan 2022. Di direkal sokal umutel te ale mal di mereka suler bekla other bela rakaloreng artir ma I think 2022 nga malle to omrole dan mo di mo sarablur bela di mereka suler bekl ministers vice president mar ministers madirekal tiga rogul directors mar chiefs marado lo realmente tiram de keep us provide the service en berar blur berar bekl sin som kadamal mereka suler Puede ser como dibus en Moraugurule, mo dibus el girela omrael, but I know we're in good hands. We're one team, el surba other bela. Direct el malsuad el mutel teal emren azulir of course the other tiram ruta rora bekal sils toktang marnurs marsensei ma adrabla bulis especially al holidays en increase our area and the umes el nombre del Christmas en hace dos en gora metrible la clablu vice president vice we hope was el malmol waigel de dilura era Christmas oy de gasto por $1,000,000 un driver put the child in a car seat wear your seat belt stay on the road oy malak mo molisebek vice ay gida atagay nga theory kaktat kani nga active mo da sa emergency room o sa minister where balaw magada Kadamal di mrenga suler adrablu was first of all we wish them a happy new year, but most important be safe. Bodolia do yulara que el domtira family de el safe. Uka tiso del baimalite al urior el alzil se medrsa telela elway mora di loot el update tergidra tora PGST le se agora agumbral wasen include todo el dubra a January 1st and maybe agora de se el mut el magtakla bebira toyen diso al duli tiang Mr. Klelek قدم السعوديين على the press conference and I think سيدا جدا ممكن clear الوي I saw in the newspaper sell was a PGST a cascading tax I say but PGST is not a cascading tax ما بقولش ما دي ممكن clear سيدا explanation لين كده باين على cascading tax ريلان يا PGST أديك cascading so like ما أقولون مسا الوين مال قامل وين مساعدة تقويم البوليس المودية مرقوية saying what's going to happen I think January 1st el maralmo.
Pues sí. Malungin tota presidente msularte alma ro members of cabinet ma to gobetsa other media ma other bela ro gui. Why say January 1st thing at Mauta RPPL 11 das 11 sel PGST act amo effective. Godo maral wasay tia marule moklat kal waset tia قدم داسو ستيام قتير تلوريل أم قليل كمية لو إراق الدو لاسما اللي قدم مدنيل واسي سيستم اللي دعاني إلا كده التشينج اللي نقول ملا التشينج هتتري لقى يسرع بلو الأضمة إمم باي قرا كده كمية رمضة واسي ما موت تيال قتير تلدو داسو نيلوريور قدم مرة واسي قدم سويس برا تابسول fair equitable التاكس سيستم تيجي القوكسي المنجدرة أبراده تيجي بالجدري أبراده تيجي القوك تيجي على سبيل هذه منجدرة سيل سبيل سيل تدون equitable tax system يدري قال مال جواد لو مقلات كر ال دوبتش الموت تيال لا الوسط تيال RPPL 11-11 نامني comprehensive tax reform نقدر بقول مو either PGST إن تيا أول بنجلا PGST الغوك مو replace جاجي ده البطاقة cascade التاكس دي غير منارنيا بيبيرا تلنتين يقول دي مو كورنيا بيبيرا benefits الغوك ريدوسرا الأوبن offset الغوك بيبيرا بردن تيجي الأفكت ده الأذ من ديك كلوتل دي emphasize جاي الغوك president إلا السيل سين يقدر نعرف cascading التاكس system والغوما claro el mu era port en mageda import tax ni en motral mora shiobai ngu kotrure medira 4% el TRT e ulgo mi se claro el mut el motral mota shiobai en la mut el mageda tra TRT ya se labora final consumer en la mageda to el tax el isois el wa bom harara tax ra already la tax de claro ya el mut el tang dira mesang le dira transparent seguida honra مسel effective January 1st إغدا سويس برا PGST المو replace أجي ده البطولة يسويس من مرا port إن غالك ترا PGST رينج 10% إن دي سل mechanism رتيال tax system in the end سل work out إن final consumer عمل دي مو هرارة تيال percent سل تيال 10% سل وكتير الأقلال اللي على اللي سويس tax ني menguat dulu asay tigil ko mlong lo ya markup adim lo ya end up baldi harasel 10% sel markup men segit sel del do maral asing hope lo asing black tak lo asay tiadi kal me isoy sa tax ngil PGST atraklo telang tingil tial besel tax sistema sel de dung business profits tax tigil ro kun mo register da PGST amo sois amo amul harasel business profits tax ya betulom sodela wasay taxer sel net income ra shobay ya tara dili gal sodel mga takli ya rate niya 12% le gatela time ya ngara TRT indi tirgal adal musuka salaria sel highest rate ra salaria ilal sil sa 12% mel ang shoba o shoba digal es elo ya sek medir sel TRT ya diga taxela income ni sel مسجدا ديري غلطرا موت من ديري غلطا مسرنجي لو أسين فير المرة قوري المسوق سالاري من جل قو شوبا المسوق قررني رشوباي من ديري غلمهارة تقصد دشي شيء ما هذا اللوديور kadagora tirigal presidente el butoka kadamsada timing hindi nga kadirigal taram neswakal ederngia wasay business profits tax ma siopay ala ka profit hindi ka tax makumdasing kadamdasul wasay sel tiapay tax lo bang kemel recover misel barnya profit ka umul tax sige dirigal tara so del ora matirigel umur at January 1st dirigel mo register tigel required mo register mo o church collector PGST tigel ko aigel maklol kombali nganya sel tokoel do banga taxable supplies hindi ko mong karang la kombali so mo mega 300,000 or more than 300,000 in required del gidel by January 1st in so is bra PGST adrigal lo bangel sek tigel rokul kombali low financial foreign investment approval certificate. Agil kung balil tour FIB, hindi na require din. Mura sila PGST. Kada ba all, umsad equitable umsad mo mga takling gagid bingel agil. Agil ko crack la classification agil business ra lior aklungel. Dirigel masuka more than 50,000 revenue a year and then kalbol 300. Dirigel January 1st tamalamol mal ngartia lo sisil system na CRT tamalmal mal hara CRT o business hara CRT ending ngarnya te el volunteer matmura PGST hara business profit tax ndin so del bay diri lo yakti alti allo sin ngarnya ngar hegagi del qarqori ma maklungela siobay el diri kam lamis aklungole la altura PGST ngarnya el alti sa volunteer kombali ngar alchela mo tra PGST qadiri el waset comprehensive makadom da so equitable ma fair tirigel kombali المسورة 50,000 and below اجل زدون small business تجيب اجل مذيع الهرا تاكس ان شاء الله المغطى تقليل سي مذيع تاكس الهراو تديمو وايجال usual البيزنس تنوى لايسنس تيرا ولا العراق and then هرا additional license fee $100 a year معلومة $25 a quarter tingul lawyer example ulo mo kasyo pa na next year except effective January 1st ya karang maturi el 10,000 current system tiang obengel legal li social cascade and the current system is el 10,000 am hara $400 CRT ngi next year hara $100 total saving na 300 ulgo makasugura 5,000 el business karang el business 5,000 instead ra hara 200 el CRT hara $100 a year $25 a quarter ngadigal so the qura di maqtaqal wasi gayid el business amo de al hara tax di hara gayid se edel mum flat rate den dio sisil fixed $100 diregal morsel point el wasi comprehensive dial RPPL 11-11 na diregal na reduce hotel tax in 12% de moten diregal na reduction na salary tax mangire la employers or di maklak ka employer sa alia January 1st agel arsel work to ma arsel pay January 1st el mo at repter engel BSL rate engel 8,000 more bab 8,000 between 8,000 and more 40,000 usually 12% el alchils am tengal mo 10% diregal endra year dirigel other belo Palau citizens el low riore malar paycheck matahara salary tax en digo regarnia 15,000 el medio trim email tela el medio sel end the year to apply يقدر refund their zero gil tax el bel harani so at the end niga tax el harani salary قدنا مثل president sel lour قدنا مثل affectra error de tudor de Palau workforce arweb to sel gatori model it end model hara tax el قدر refund ngir rogir بدري قال أمترا أقوك ميرورا من مقرابين الواسي دي من قدير المسرة سالاري تدري قال المسرة أقوك تقال بيبي رجيد الأقوك تيو ماجيت إذا قالوا ديور قالوا بتو ماجيت ملاري تارمين ندير قال ديو سيسيل تلاتايل عندك بلولو مقلات كالواسي سيل سوشيال أسيستانس بروجرام كقو ماجيت ريبورتا قرر جيم مقلوميس إسل إندراير ulgum dire gal dia qarqar ngema 15,000 el medio instead of refund le ngal hara tax link terweb to sell 15 below other government other 4% revenue ngil assistance ulguming silugura 15,000 en rair ya itame apla minister urbala yung mas ka $600. So up to 600, 4% the revenue.
So hala dito comparing mo time.
I see.
Ela nakadal suma karang ilam le 15,000. Low shobay, low magit.
I see.
Under a GRT rel time harora 600
Harora 600. I see.
Elang model harora 600 tadi more 100 harora 100 tala. And the year and buying a possibility of harora 600.
600. Vice President.
Kada pairing, the pairing another shobay. Look at the help from the great shobay. That's
Ubengel aigel salary refund, material legible aigel salary tax refund, material other magit. Se dire so de dire lo mklak lo sen dire portugal dio magit, mortigal lo magit retired. Mo dire lo mesa karo karingir ramagit o dakdak ni ma ASS ma pension, ya sumang motmaga dire 15,000 below, te dire legible o sisil deletal. Ubengel aigel social assistance sa salary tax refund. Ngaringi sel partra til RPPL 11-11 القضاء تبديها $100 for every child. So manggagid al adal eligible ay gagid al program. Kasi claim rang algal lo sure ngin nga dalang claim ngalgel lo kada mo chika verify wasi inong ka kutim la kadil babysitter ngira. Ding si claim rang algal en $100 every child. So ngigagid al benefit mong sabele president $600 terror ngalgel si claim dingi en 6, 7, 800. Mang si suadal mam kataklo si mo banggel tial PTS steel chancer tial mo federal system yang ngarnge gagid al badol ka benefit al dire al si edel.
So may na dru to example gamwa adal musura 15,000 rayi.
Why say?
El al timing impera 6% es el first el
8,000.
8,000 impera 12% es el angalakra 8,000. Ma total tax el payout may nga 1,500 approximately. Ela gadamo reduce el rate from 12 to 10. Mun still ang 1,180 taxable paying gigidel at. Hindi ela nge eligible mutro musel 1,180 ra endra year. Plus ra $100 ra itchel ngalige. Malsumong 4 lang sa 1,006 something like that.
Why say?
Okay. Koro di help para problem mo understand kasi le segidel luldas o sea agem law de sura adra senet mar adra house lo ase magrada help para adra magit magrada help prengel mitute struggle material impact ra change material basel system ra taxa sumaria masakla la klalo en kadam graso ba klinge. So
why say? وبنقل سير ديريق المانيا تقلد القرآن لا مدر ببير أدرى ماجد أكمل لولو واسي أو بيصير تقصى نكتير ونصير من ريجستير فايلا revenues apart sel lolsis bra tigal أدرى ماجد الميرا ملا لايسنس إنه eligible benefit ندين ديريق لولسيل تايم غدا ngoswira أدرى ماجد مس إذا الجيب report revenue غدا مالديريق ملوي كريا COVID tial le klol bang le pandemic am no ngegal program na WIOA am no ringer tira produce reports revenue mum no ringer kita justify and dik plol wa say sel level lutel mo sois bra sel toy malger dangesu el do se revenue kom di gol se el way nga fele kan sangang mo alta revenue nga why say
help bertira malalo help bertira malaya so yeah
pues diría el guadio de maclat que diría el presidente ahora me maclat cada pigose el altam godo maral lo hace ara la claro lo que da tan el ang ulti mukornya 4% al GRT bebe la ulti mukornya import en meringa gida justify malu ko ngera ara la claro el más el medir 10% bebe lengirel ngarnya adjustment lel suko mendia ke en tia the additional profit del morong balil at the end ng give percel 4% na alchela ara klaro mang ultaw ta biore presidente ngar leader el alo mesa pricing magardiri kam namna report mang diri kal kodorngita nga sura siobay ma balu hindi ko to namos kolra obisra tax at sumanganya kora mesang hindi ko to lingit talo ase sel ngolel ngarnya mal helper gida ulgo mangarnya ara laklalo ma ade tra o milsang ma hukmle ara laklalo sira mesara kot di ko kora helper gida we make sure hindi ka atan
se umbasang malkaw tutrela sal makataklen morabalo arogul klal maluben service al sel ablur belar al sales either ngaria a GST seldom basang gross revenue tax a gross revenue tax al hararia shobay Raiger rogul lotrulel maluben service at provide serela ewal basent misel bomora raklal rastong malube ada charge ga endegal bel tel invoice nil do ase tegida ra laklal wal dar takluk tida tax nil 4% sel dar takluk already include a tax al sel maise sea elagida wabodolo dar tiang ay yegi del tax el lar al sel ara laklal maluben service le wal basent al sum di gal maluben yegi del service egel de gal at least 3% or wamla 5% ang al sel ayge girel mungu betarar tiaklalo sel existing klalo girel wal girel the reduce sel amount ngadamle adu gitu madra PNCC lo ase kami ada kal giril di ngua 10% ngul medir bebul tial to le kami el al time pera GRT le awal basen e pera BSCC ra e BSCC pera 4% GRT modi mu tial 10% ngul medi e kami am dabo earn extra 4% mengiri long yang tip tial rate kami ra 4% maise e margo sel mo besel invoice kami edra 10% ra uriu maise maluben mo makatakil wase mo system rigidra lang aman mo blakatak wase tiagi da karkarang ila government gidra la da sa ser karkarang ila government dingan alsela arugul to koy wal bol mal mo blakatak katuk wase tiaga karkarang ila government gada claim de kado ngem de bre sa government le de kado blal seri ra uri le sia problem ra ji artirela kada min mo endra kware rem labes so tiam le karkarang ila government tul dur ngana gere ye drum street mo siga do mutia actually PGST am every month the collecting mundi kalsal mo kamangan maraba klagare make sure ndegabol reach ay lo problem ay lo problem artirela sebele mo endra kware upna mo ngosongos mang kadam dengan waseng moklo agora raureng di kita mal dioli takl raureng ma understanding ara blue di if anything sel ara rakla ratana malubang agira de nomese waseng mangat ile lengirel met top the cell taxel already ngara al cell egida mo malar se mo magataklil wase mo iliak blakatak sel taxel bololani governmental ngara al cell wisi ese uno cloud to tell la sum tiakla al mutul motrao kamala credit sel taxel blam hararin morsel li moragom balim segidel sel issue la cascading awal ngartiang imul di malget tianga dega lo leget kungwa credit sel blam harari gadi mo harar sel gamla clear ara la klalo kadi pa harar tax sel mo sa clear ara anyway dega sel del stobal masadri sado mo gadi lo spare ga ngara awido ra bekal tutao el direct al help el explaining مثلا لو راس يشور ما مثل نيوز من direct al سياد el explaining ما ادرا بلو دي هذا مرنا سولي ولا كلو تلا ميديا هذا continue مساعد continue discuss hopefully help ادرا بلو مو understand دي سيل كوت كلو تلا عمره لو سيل له ولد سوري ادرا البي لو سي دي al سياد دي Wasi kada ngwa PGST mo 10% ngwa income taxel business profit tax lo yang dia kadang dasar adra blue mo affected maulang kadang tra income tax se apply mora adra go even tigel musura more than 10,000 at 2% amo that's 2% less that they will have to pay material tax refund Ediri kalmal lebius am diri lo mesera dramagit rose. Ngadim na kudungli segit rose. Tiga dramagit tabay bodom do tir, but that's a good thing. Elengira the help pagan magikrel el magit mong. Diri kalmal le clock concern or adal gira la magit mong. I think that's very helpful. Ediri kal kora diamda sose gel law firm. Umba kuna sose tamo edra 10%. Digel law firm el mle karkanira mle galak kara 300,000 a year. Also mga less than 300,000 a year, tangar tiyan mo to system hindi kangaral change. Oishen dia. So, kung mara sa most tira maybe less than 300,000 din so mga alaklet ade kat sal makita lutel haro 10% tata makarakampe sa malungin marahil. El ade kat bulgul raise our rate 30 lang ungin marahil. Akwadi. Ay kadire. But you know we have to understand rase ngari impact ri. So also mo $100 ra hour ngal law firm. Maral mo register the PGST. Ngadolin tete rase madam mo rate kami 96 sila kumle haro 4% ra before. Kami umaedra 10%. May say? Say fair. Di ka di mo 10% ng unmok medin. So kita kora, hopefully say kora help explain ato ko. Minister, did you want to add anything?
Thank you, Mr. President. Yes, I think Elway has explained it quite sufficiently, especially his point about this reform being comprehensive and that it does expect a slight increase in prices overall, and in particular to certain items like food that has no tax applied to it now on the import, except the 4% when it's sold. So there is a comprehensive reform, and that one-time price increase that is expected is more than compensated by the benefits that those people most affected, the low income, middle income, will be receiving benefits to compensate more than any increase that they should expect. And we ask the businesses to cooperate with us and to remove in their prices the existing tax to really show that overall prices are not going up 10%. I think that's something that has been communicated recently. But we also expect that this will be a much more effective and efficient tax. And as we further develop the country, we're going to need these funds to finance further infrastructure developments, assistance programs, and other expenditures in the budget. So I think the benefit to the tax reform is a lot wider than people expect, and we need to keep that in mind. It's not just the PGST that's involved here, but a lot of other benefits that come with the tax reform. So just to share that as part of the message from the Ministry of Finance. Thank you.
And I think it's important that also the foreigners that live in Palau hear that, because there's a lot of foreign businesses here, and they need to understand the implications. So if there's, yeah. So, thank you. Kada ba yung mga question and answer atang somya mlamo 10:55. Abang, did you want to say? Okay, let's go. Wala mo 10:55 malabas kumete ale ukle.
Mansulang President ministers Elway the three questions nga kawan na mura the follow up pertali kara tax Minister Udoy. So kada understand la sang mal ngani gigit tukol benefits, and as you mentioned to do the employee that other mo benefit sel other below under make a 15,000 or less mo benefit the refund. Overall sel mo tel change, and I know the milsada sing revenue neutral tel change ang ngani abol impact ringi hindi abol reduce ringi current revenue projection ra government talong mo dasang mo como sa mil recovery kay dal kukno da sa mil recovery revenue lo give dal tax.
Thank you, Lay. When we say revenue neutral, our message was that the total amount of taxes that we are collecting will be the same level as what we had collected before, and we're using 2019 as a base year. So that's how we did our calculations. Of course, if our economy is not as strong as 2019, such as now, we will be collecting less funding, but we have budgeted with that in mind. So we do expect we will have sufficient funds for our budget expenditures this year in particular. As the economy grows and tourism recovers, because the shift in burden of tax goes to tourism mainly, we should expect an increase from that source. But overall, the total amount collected still is the same rate as what we had collected before.
Madam Masalan, that leads to the second question I have. Amora Minister of Tourism, Minister Ngiray, understand that le mention na President earlier was nga gigil flight China airline in incoming February Australia will fund that connection between Australia and Palau via New Guinea. Ang ngaringi marketing efforts at time lo local private sector el malasam el market into that market. I mean el promoter Australia al Belar al Australia mang sab edel was kat expect February that expect so many customers al ube tiang ko di nadera Australia ma Air New Guinea to do the marketing.
Malum malungil to malungil a question. Actually, I'm not reach out to mara industry as a whole. To kuningel matter ngara cove ngi other Australia. As umusubul give la patigan niya interesting. Makmle asker ambassador ma Air New Guinea. Mas kuma ma list tigil wa travel agencies ma dive shops ra gidali Australia. Aldo do lo bangala mat ma ambassador nama otorga click musel Australia interesting like 90% ra other travel FIT. Mandega group packages are til. Lagi koram le trail mrula group packages lo bangala Sam stores magal togol dive shops. So the efforts now is actually just marketing in Australia. Trail introduce trail airline magal frequency of flights. Malas spread the word mga efforts lo bangala Australia actually mo market ra ang klil belar al sila Australia. Lindia ka se India kalwa Sina ma Taiwan dito bora travel agency nga maklolwa HIS Shaba lama JTB tuk mo flights tira or dubra adal may. Ngire di mass it's mass media. Satellite tile to ospering lang. Hindi other rokul nga industry madangi. Agim namit ta rokul dive shops. We're meeting with tour operators. Malas mo push gigital flights sa Australia. FIT FIT a freely independent traveler. Other Australia travel meral to Australia. Aditil buka airliner tir, aditil buka mlirir ma hotel tir ma meals tir. Hindi ka losi ka packages.
Kamso lang minister. Minang ra tablora hotel al past weekend. Ito sendir ka kal yang sa tamlar meng sa news and hindi kakal approach by PBA malubing any marketing agency. All nga say dal mass marketing and the silang arsel presence at hindi kakal push ra mang they were ask ka say
ikaw mo clone hotel
nga information lo gerel
okay we'll share as much as possible.
So lang say kita ko question the last question President you mentioned already at the beginning was 2022 amal it was a very challenging year COVID I was looking back at the Mr. summary of 2022 and it feels like a 5-year compacted into 1 year malmle interesting that. Question lekor ka say ngara ko ramle priority ka or 2022 mil salim lakal makatmok la mo mesel ma 2023 also ngari ako tablol ton mo mesel so amal abol makatmok ra sa 2023 ngaray kay gidal tablol to.
Well, I think number one, minimum wage. Kumara sa the biggest challenge and face other abulu ralak lalo sida ka controller gidari blue la dal dingi las The biggest thing that we can do as a government and as leaders is help pertrial other akli. Tax reform imong di gumral waseng diri kan level. Kam lagot maklir government, we need to make sure ng operal moral bakla. So wayek tilung Mr. Talams maldimira bil kada maldimira kada sa nang raklugo. Sel مريض المغذي مريض الساينين and that's كذا مرة بتوقع البنغلاديش تاني مريض I think the other one that we hope to finish up this year تقرأ كم and say important لين مساعدة next 20 years رجيل close to تلا close partera oratela beluat se close to trail edregal kada mle gora optimistic mudum sa tel tourism amal dimre the rebound le dabora Fiji aling sirak pro meeting ra PIF mnamo 80% tra level ra before se July igida adir ngara I think minister kadam sadra 10% or maybe kadana team lang lakra 10% mura
October 8,545 there are November and December numbers. Kadala mo ito 10,000.
So kada we're lagging. So say biggest challenge again magdulum da so say agora ya start a flight tier other shabala start a flight tier. It hasn't happened. So we're still working on them. At least China airline amla kamit, Taiwan amla kamit, Australia amla kamit. Kamal di goro was a Shabal, we need a commitment from you. Korea, we need a commitment from you. Singapore, hopefully, say upesel al te al ngari. Kadiregal, we were hoping or say maybe marigel upesel hotel development that would be able to get off the ground. I was hoping I said last year once in 4 seasons. Ngari ako terrible issue estate maut ma again hopefully that gets resolved soon. Kung say EQP mla lolo trim na to the permit, we want them to start construction. They're ready to start. Ding girel momrelas. Kadiregal ngari sel imora hotel el girel modor tel el PNQ tel kurashar ngamlan we hope lo ase this coming year mo la uring direla agora COVID getting things ironed out with their design marang hopefully I got el mo uring tigil sobak clip I hope 2023 will be much stronger and much better. Yada di kanya sabi mother all bill. Toka igel baby ralla. Said there was a aircraft registry mo imong. And said the look mure del mesase lo asing said the good mo clear. Tara best source of revenue. Di kanya sell la girela corporations that we wanna have digital corporations. So kita direl marala uring. Hopefully we can get that going. But by say there are a question more tigal ministers Michael challenges at tigal sum sorry lede. Nadang question.
Ali, tutaw. President Wise maharbe klaf. Since I'm not a tax, ngari ba question ni halak para tax ngargi selba bilingir tirgel businessman el bel saying ngi akum nasang le address el mera president ma other all bila akmo yul selba ber ngani ewal toil moral sel ako teng tawasi tirga nga basically tirga oling tawasi mem de dilera implementation at yang el base ra ewal toya ara am ngi kasi ako teng wasi tiang there's still lots of confusion dirga glow around reng ra balur ni that's one. Number 2 yang wasi even in diragado tutiti alla ang lang mas aralak lalo mo tiang alawar ng lamutul media mutul el morba para claro. And number 3 awasi. Already our economy is at an all-time low. Matiang al tau teligang ang lamu tel exacerbate tra tial economic conditions kita kami. Ang ewang awasi. Utility sa morba aral. Manila arala papalilamlay. Aralaklal mau ulumeng arang lagi dalam lakai betul betul. Matiang adilya kal result terngya mo out migration. Tesi ka diler si. Ungka diswa kal ngol diswa tiagi del igagi del tekon al sel tiagi del el petition. Okay.
I'll let Minister answer first and then technical. Okay. Come on, Minister.
Thank you. I'll speak in English, of course.
A lot of the petitioners were foreigners, so it's good that they're here.
Yeah, the petition raises a lot of points as you raise. Not all of them are related. So I think we have to divide the issue a bit. We need tax reform. It needs to go forward for those people who are businesses. I cannot understand why they would want to delay when they're losing money now. Because if you're losing money now under the business profits tax, you can defer, you defer your taxes for 3 years. You don't have to pay taxes, basically. So you can carry forward those losses for 3 years.
Maybe translate in motor bala sa klo tutul to gambes. Alorgoria elal diul mortial business profit tax. Shobay. Elnya wal saltal malla shobare lang bay ngari atele lusaw do marang they're losing money. I get loss certira si il wala bal modi dakta tax certira future. مضمور لان تيام مستري سيد التعال لا غدا دونين موريلا دبالين كتب لما ميجا انغام كده او ملا سرتير سير important point بالبيجني minister مقام بيسول دي يدير تقول بلاو.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. President. The second point is those people who are affected, the ones that the government is most concerned with, the government being the executive branch and the legislative branch, are those people in the low and middle income. And these people are going to get their money back. So I don't know why we would like to delay that. I think we should start it as soon as possible. So I'm not sure what the point is there. I've also used the word that PGST is and the other taxes are more efficient and effective, meaning that the impact will be a one-time increase in prices on certain items. But I think the efficiency in the tax system will have a tendency to improve business and in the end lower prices. So I think we need to look past just focusing on one particular tax, which is not the overall system change, and see what the benefits are. I don't think we can get away from the fact that we need to collect more money, and if we're going to need to collect more money, we want to collect it as efficiently and as effectively as we can, so that we can fund the things that the public demands, like higher wages in government, at least. So I think we need to look at this a little bit more broadly, and some of those arguments in the petition are not really relevant, I think, to the point of tax reform. So I just wanted to mention those.
Point of Minister, tial possible nga sa klal aral klal. Lengari yang ani atigi mo sa klal. Adital nga sa emro. Degalwa arala alul dimrail. Deka control lagi marala igal bek klal. Dital nga sa emro. Sigdal daseng maybe possibly 6% ragal, degal gala 3%, alu maybe 2%. Ayegida adi one time. This is close to the point logo ya Minister. Tirgal gotel musukam masal income angari angya sung mortileng segidel possible masaklela adil the minus ringileng tigang tial income tax tir rogira endra next year mamgi garen magit mandiregal el galbaya obul te mohara arti ayegida angya sul help bring tirgal gotel los pe angya so there is always said 2/3 ra ala the Emergo trigel belungila income martir tedire kan ngari angya so lungulen mna mo dekat perat 12%, mna reduce mo 10%. Sel drong la 10 to 40,000. Masem mendiri kalau benefit long. Mang ar maral mo lung ratib klolo bravo. Ar adra ngod el blue. Mar ar tourist. Sea gira del queda mablag takarse. Digi damal al sel tialla ar adro bira mal megargi kle mangalio ar adra bela. Aktire kalau mesra petition en wila ulang dom taklaya. Obugura rubea ngam lesana sel petition. Mal tidak po singa kanama ikan mo kasi kalau bukul di ortra amang agire kalmo explain el money lo asenga bay ngari atere al mo 600 bay boda kangara lepe bay girel bay bread mo tiya signi churing ilinga adim nakal sal understand that to nga ma minister tula mo help rin le explain ndi sea unda sen partra among sometimes hindi kadungil explain ay gal tokol morablu mo de kal understand ngira del mo tatcheri mo kadmo se drosperi mo kadmo understand ni se lo ya minister aklo tutero mase over time in by creator efficiency mo tial mutel by sebel creator a competition and drive prices down it will level the playing field se unda so di se de kalse del dimbre del mesang se la uklungel mo kabelment ang mo beot o milyul unda se ata sa tablon mo gori kada mal dinga raporte mo klor teligam tigibli kaya kaya Marcel. Seguida help already tirgal motivo biot digam dinga sila nga sure Mr. Wilter ng wasing actual di change ara hindi ka change system hal may the change system mo ngil la ka change ara ngadi blame ara hindi nga sendiang system abulungil ang mo sel better o milyon mo kada kaya nga sew helpless blame ara ding important petition lang o isa uldas we o kara uldas we de help rigid by explain mo nakatak na marara
Saule presidente question lang aktir adi mara minister matula liga turiste since kita betangel wasi kita tourism driven economy say ablo also do south economy kita kata so ngaring ako ra numbers this coming year even though sel do ngul sel Etiale econ brief graduate school at all miski the numbers based on fiscal year hindi minister mo era ko calendar year 2023 this coming year ngani ako ra target numbers ra tourist ko ra o mesel betulngi
Well, still the way we calculate that amal simple math kung 2 flights a week times 4 weeks a month times 12 times 120 sige that and give all mara 70% ra occupancy when you're talking about plus ra United Airlines daily flights I can give you the projections I don't have I don't have it right now on the top of my head ding based on Air Niugini Miguel frequency of flight I can give you a projection for next year this is all based on flights. Hindi ka secret number. They usually we target about 75% flight. Hindi give 100% lang. 10% are usually for cargo. But the minus are same. But between 75 to 80% again projecting to be fair.
I see. Last econ brief tial direm nomret. Miski FY numbers FY 2024.
Kailangan numbers now.
Okay. Abis kita 45,000 tourist O imakesa sing asay kita ako ra taitang ako number mo. Di say base ra fiscal year number. One question na kalbero ka presidenta mal ko ra klo it's widely circulated online. Sel story ra sel OCCRP. Sele Pacific Gambit, the communist China, and the triad push into Palau. So mungkin soal diunga uluswem nang ako soal mo understand lo si sel premise at story lo si ngarang ya such effort our Chinese el Merbelau they're kind of like playing the long game may establish a tier emergo make connections. El direct wal kora try make money at the same time. Ya Communist Party wal spare establish ties mo el magura relationship ra plur belau el mora diplomatic relationship plur belau Sina. Saya kita wal kora end game. That's one part. Number two part was sell criminal elements at the broken tooth, for example, nga story. El me direct el me mitra nga mabal they try to establish sabi asyo pa tira blur belau. Now question nga kasi why gay the lomeru take the story of present ya. Ngara ko ra osang mengi. Ko ra pikirngi ngani ako ra akawalment ngani ako long atmok kil segi ya lu ko ra nguktim le story ngerti mesang move on. Sulang.
Dia sulang kambesa aku umra lo ase gida akawalment gida mal klagar. Kada first of all gida economic relationship and dega issue ri. You know, هذا البل rent rabli dan soal tourist المي الأذر عندي البلورا ده قد accepting. Issue كده ده قد صار قال criminal elements را بالواد. من that's why مناري يكسر كلول لوريول laptop تريجا يقل تريجا الأذر نامو ده قد سين مرا بلور بلاو because تملي involve يقل activity online gaming which leads to human trafficking and other issues را بلور بلاو. من effort government to make sure I think one of the things that we're also tightening up our border protection, getting more advanced scanning and systems at the airport. The most other maltragar other mesois. Kita bloom kita the salm dengan tirara. And we don't have a visa requirement. Terus kalau sirabera terus muatala terus al merebela. Of course, that's why sometimes people show up, but they are friendly, but maybe they made friends with them, but it's not. Actively planned orchestrated maybe they have. Maybe other blue of the street. For the last 28 years in the independent, the interest rasinar belau, mata interest Taiwan belau, take it al waisel, ngaria competition or sell time and merela. En dimal molm, se dekal se modia. Digida mlater clear was a the will leader ma Taiwan, angari, alsuma sina gasoma som sedimam. And they got similar set Taiwan, they got Selima. Say a position again. Kada Seller Beckla. They, of course, as Sina Degal here say, Maulan Degal recognize it, give them Degal recognize it. When it comes to economic relationship, again, I say, probably in Dimrigel, as Sina, next biggest trading partner. Yeah, the more tourists, of course, the Tigam go to tourist in Merbelau. Diri kan ngari investment tertin mera ablur belau. Umral was one of the things that look over the past few years. Ablur amriyal Secret Service, Treasury Department, OIC ra tigel other Air Force. They've been helping us training and help upgrade our customs, other FIC, FIU, so that we understand the real activities and maran. Munsiadal protect ourselves again degal suadal mo involve of course a human trafficking and kaduk na kadang namora watch list degal suadal mora tier 3 degal suadal uk matamal isadam money laundering mo ula et uk sanction gida maulang gira milisi gida lurior mo help gid mo klagare and protected from those activities mo Dirigal ngari awra uk help para FIB help pertir mata tamamdu kora check background ra so that we can prevent maybe ourselves from falling in those problems that we had before. To say lo hacen organized el government rasina amruri, of course idea de donde intent la government rasina. Of course trigada del interview ngora hace 2 meses hace el waise. Adam. Ngora di of course tiga ada kira igel blue di kita dim na se armadagan ada kira igel rogul blue ada se government dur tilmen kora that's maybe a little bit of a stretch and kita di kita continue lo hace que tuira aigal Klaus Elergid ma wil del will se asmisia abelwades misia geizargid man gada respect our other tira uk memilir abelwad treat them give them the benefit of the other setriga amrula will toy mara investors the same thing but al sumo amrula de gal girel el rol en gira del prosecutor tire or de gada tilen degal malmal oise so hindi ka ngon ang rablo reputation or gidim sem na tamal reputation or gidim bring la da repairing gira del got film so
Mr. Presidente, malungil besara meram tegal ministers ma Vice Presidente. Ak malasam law mi ay kal question nam la mer nga tigel nga niya gire le gorgmi may gil mabita.
I see.
Hindi nga niya do sisiyungil kam ne mentionil gire la minimum wage.
I see.
Museba dol do ngin mo to koy.
Sulang.
Awera pora Minister Health and Human Services and Mr. Palau ngari ongit el mara Minister obia. At mo lang nga tan ngila ikel aswart el ngara airport e bol sabem el donate el mula ikel pathol sa hospital.
Sulangi awul ka tan nebigi kerka aba maul ko atab lolol ko rasu ontila atlol ko ngera ka boy ndi kamal msaule agi dire kan na adadu kamam a minister mar adri rawai seluror el dime dire kal daw ay selwasya semla tabidringi ngaringa kontraktor mamutmok segi darail meliwek malak alwi tial mawali ra ospital Mr. Talam sa maldi mretal time and start tauror hindi nga kadyan sa kala mo itatingin marelang makmo sigal do lelang mare at aswar mamutmok di ako ngira oversight ako naso
Musula Minister Obi Ange malungil tuta Minister Palau namo bet tergido mesa isela bluram digedra togora health ya CDC dere na top dat ngel gerel sel lom subel gerela long covid el director lu ulen la motol adamata del COVID-19 en área babingela senator Dr. Cuarti mora director public health se ve el given mosmo dice que de long covid ma sa efecto ngit no rama e ang raw hospital el gire
sulang senator malungit tuta president ma beklade ako te dibok eko egel bladu president gire la taman na kamang talra 2022 naman brenga sulir rugul healthcare providers sa mga first responders ra di ako dobe sa luwasin le di ka elsel el arra kita mlom la swarsel malukuraring lela at tukura covid ra ako tulbuil at 2022 tangat Senator Talam sa auul domes so far mulmuter last week en wal elol matela lagay sirgit just under 6,000 since the start January medel ang unfortunately mlaniyar tetul adal mosme el madra covid hindi domes ay lower compared to mora takadil belul adrogi but within the Pacific region in the talgibel lungi lagay gid lower domes esel karim el la long covid maral ngarinya omsu belomes raadal tamo infected ra COVID whether or not tanganya symptoms din hindi selbo ledeng mudul elon malbuy ruriur sa gidel lugot infection ang ndub a symptoms maluben di kalkalan nga ringa igel el symptoms tir mang ngotokora omes lo sing nganiat te el leader bebirar adal ngar el selbelaw mo smera covid smer bulgulak mutum lo infected malamol man ngani kay igel symptoms tir mel at time kamsulang me mentioner selba bilngila senator Corte el at time el nga press conference or other public health may UOC mitel gidel. Hindi kita tangat talangan nigel tablol team ra Health and Human Services ra marigel. Almel nga sergi ra wala larak. Selme ko team amle ulong sergi ra umrus ra vaccine. Eselong irung amle tegidel January sera da both albang at close surge. Mutigay gida experts lulbang gida sel time. Fortunately nga terurtir ngater ilang el mlarga gid el team on nga sergi dara kukto ko long covid lo se makarata identify boda madul artok tang gid bela makarapol madul lo mesa gid lo lang nga treatment ringin pamal masulang ra awngilger yakuling ito sebol sabel next week malubin next press conference pa boda details model malungilger hindi aurior el time amrail gid la long covid
Solange minister belang direl gorang ni asep krengel no girel sel statement tel telo da WHO el girel sel variant da COVID-19 el BF7 el maklura blura sinam na spread en mora India guangara swem el girel se girel
ngoy se kita mtingin lo se hindi ka capability kita belaw al malang alwasaigal case ra COVID ang malngaral strain. Hindi kita malmol lo marang ra sel yobo, sel vaccine. Makadamal lo lingit traffic la alwasidi da tolamol mal karigik laklangal gire la heldergit. Ito kuni kay gid up booster sel so kung hindi ka mga booster ka po mga booster sel bol available at time nalmutan mo niya flu vaccine madirek COVID vaccine. Klok to telelay sa kita malmol mga tuwak legal preventive measures. El at time el blal open ablul adrogi ng telgi bil maring kita omdas wa madroba TLL mesois sa pamong sabaedel mulwa sang anytime yang idil variant ta mesois sa berbelaw. Sa reality dalbang nil at time hindi so far igal vaccine sa tukuni sel dobar ilang bivalent booster dir ka ngila klisi el protector adam dia bol hidol smer na modal sa el stop adal ngu mo infected ending vaccine sa dir ko real against severe disease ma at elela adal mo yuing mang disayida sa el pura el time kita practice kita dir ka chance ay galbek el case el madang nganya sample na nga markot sendel mora CDC mumrur sa igil typing lo sing malngaral al strain ang aniral selbela.
President, I think lagi mo tawdi kambes mal som over. So based on United 140 seats, China Airlines 154 seats, Air Niugini 122 seats. Ndira ka touch Air Micronesia and ndira ka tun di altro darin at 130 seats. Flights per month at 28, 8, 8, 12. Total seats per month 3,920, 1,232. I can share this with you. 976, 1,560 seats per month. At 50% occupancy, you're talking about 44,860 tourists next year. Sige da koras ito project ni assuming hindi ka stop flights ikikita li sila adamel mol mga sila skogi. It's an optimistic projection, but it's
brief.
Well, hindi na dalawang ura flights. Mabol ba to ka flights so madael. Ako kung makasay mo so. So lang as stats sa PVL man bread lot of the over.
Presidente agora imolagir namin girila tax la mala director ikeda. El logger na se agale tirgel adel merularan ultraran ma alcohol. Tamo Haraw la tax el UCC malu bin semen ko explain. Tele la tax ko.
Malong question Mr. Talam sang sil tara kita mungkin lo say el alsil se import el barrel water o si sil time ma rom ma drol e si el muy gel sin tax en alubang di ko excise ay like malamol mal tax ending hindi kalul di mo kurnya domestic o hindi kalul si siwa kalau malu asa excise malu sin tax ako kung amokte karangi ngaya mokte karangi mga lang manggirel sel mokte kal tapsulra importation ma manufacturing hindi kal mo so so isibra kangestera to kora held ma mang waisay trigel bro la parol dwarer al sel belaw amo ngaringi segidel lo sisil excise ra import amo o mo tax ra domestic water barrel water o sisil tam gi ma roman merur belaw madgol
Mr. Presidente, ako lang mention igel ukra 2023 yang koram sa yang wa hotel wa Four Seasons sila nga rabay malal. Ya ako ka tial ministry ka umara igel maklo lurior la blur belaw infrastructure. Ngaring ako ra sa MCL wa say blur belaw ngarang kor omes legal major projects kora marahin bera LR 2023.
Yam sulang Gambes kada diraga umdasang la diraga kalsan mo buil na mo buil. Rablo sepeda lo bangela a president tamar pebirar minister no visit rablo rasyapan. No tingara tenohigam gel prime minister ma arbebirar adala selda dukmang diet ang kongres rablo rasyapal. Narinya babiel bleda sign. Imong audio el niya mo mesel wasang ngaring akmed kalday klol talanting ilaudo ngar sila igel babiel. El meskida te alma asyaba la mo ng seori gidan di kotel ne kloringi amo mesel te al public transportation rigidara sila balur belaw. El niya do mesa rael sila toguni sila balur oror adi maral mo mesek drai di sila amlay. Ya lakada address ringi do muul address ringi relang hindi wabik kaltogoy sila baal kasabak karamada yang barang lari kita mengito kan. Adiregal do lo bangela siapa rel al el mga duuringi Dakadong duuringi na start omsuba. Ya klul omsuba maral may amom mala arabe SLD dara minatobas. Tablo omsuba no mesringi alwasing. Perdi suseng artian muute o malmal los beringi al ube kata ruliabes. Aradra siapa la urgamento alwase dara liabes. Yang mo kamala kulsel lendi mo pe al tate mo norogi. Ya boda suseng yang ngari ngigel baby ramutel adia ka boda replace malube kadomte. Bang segi dia aklul daswe direga idelis be galbes el ambasador siapa lam no sa president. Begit elilutel melisi celulas. Maseu daswe mom katmokla. Semral mera al sela a 2023 e passibli al sela 2024. Adire lul ko ringira ada siapa la presidente magadam tira kan no se de lo panterit aigal ko suera amor malala mamora hospital ma miunsa ma ngarangat maduol maral badula ay aigal waldi del tial cloud ride order maigal kudel basyo ay gemen diregal adra siabala ngaringa technical team may na inspect ngaringi a imong tablong nguspe asuiseng rogoy di ngaringa imong tablong el kirel mere del suiseng ay diregal blal adra siabare lang da kalodor eli ay gidalor u de laurelel amot mak ni ma tialurele ladit diregal si siul time en sel dom kadoringil patokal ada madangalil waseng grassroots funding ara tial ko kembesira pelura siabal ngar Palau adiregan mo help pergi draigel aigal suiseng aigal koswe atraklo togol diregal ada tu ngi kita mar adra siabal le kambes mar adra amerikel awase kada makarang mo sepe el mutel od uli ay mora portal mora agiukla esel domes en girel dir murtra de longolela ay meliga ay epsigo el morngortma awul ga domes ay gidal beluma de longolel a channel el maluben selci sabalera al mol el mesois para belu mong mo sabi al sugumang arwadial o mga ang magyakarel operation na dial amo sabi lo que malube ko mokol sa gidal el porta egida mo daswa klo lurol girel tal porter ngamra al daga dil bol suise nga ay min daga di bol akamaday takar ko si mo sabi akamaday talmu tal maklo el dudulwaseng passenger sibang ngarang legal mo ula kay Israel mera Palau. Let's go man dia kadayak la magigrey maklol operation. Ang malmol magigrey di mleek rangkal. Te ala raklo luror al metmura al sila Palau. Ide kambes sa direkal maray luror el angel lo sa inga babiera maudora mauta. Selongerul luror al Lobengela siapal Lobengela pipiu silmeruringi el mal arselong erul lain ra dengi ma dengi basira dia mo kakadingi adart tokar adart dengi basira ranga malaal el met murai rai laudas padal el morsel bila magitring SRC serrail crossraga das padal el moragi cross el morsei el mom ira epsigo se wabolong erul el sengara dengi mal sumang modang lura ang rabitara la pick up ralo o si siul time en modia kaigel wase dengi basirang artiang ada uspera dengi rabitara el mo kopati al sengal mo malngalak ringira rail mo aya direkal bol eliminate se sela makat mokla esen neurung uleda ma on direkal lolgoringa president baseng makarang ababel daw pada suseng ringi rogir mal ubeng molingia ongerul back up el sengari nam kat mokla te do gidre lang ako rol girela aseli krel se gidel mo meliwek karang along elme maigal infrastructure kambesa maklo el doru Lobengela ngaringa igel ku ti kabelmenta matmok la tokorara el maigal facility mangaringa igel dongot mok ligit ma PPUC ma PNCC el girela aungil services malubeng improvement tra services al mera rogul adamasyo bay ma angarang umbato ka lista mal kamangala el maklo ludor el may makadokora di mo mas ayegid ya marko ngegid asabe el luri ultay me marko ngegid mo tong okle mo ngim ismao de oltay el maklo ludor maral mera el al cook pesara kamong mablakatak ra trabalu
kodi doel kursa kamlarong sel grant tra PNCC seguir el momu sel 35 million kada ngaria sel one stop shop el domesin umrek se gola gire el momre gala al year direct ngari sel correctional facility rigid tial ngara daspadal sang nirai yes
tedo
DMZ oy sem umre giran momre kare andra lalie to tora ya goblet promise director malaire hopefully maral moise egida abda sing mal direct to aurel maral director malaire direct la mare ril uk multawda bes el bidra yel uk project 2023 the early this year en mo ultawda of course en to gayel uro rara el maral gira del continue malgata atara mo clol project au kya maral mil do mesriya preparing matmok rigid gira sel mini games 2025 beto gayel gira del momrul facilities el upgrade or prepare gira sel time
Maldiga president sel solar project al maral al time se mo ngosugi drakme dalu ng ngakra lu el pasien tersel target terkitra awase kada makarangi lu itra uspedra adingir lo bangela lu rel almo o clean energy lo giwa solar malu bebera atleta renewable energy mang seguida como da sentar cloud step full step bladongu el nya pisai draigal ngar obli lama asioba seguida cloud claro do vale kadang malas mula sekadang makaram gitu berkita mal eringil morsel target el cook administration makapalmenta mali receiver ela o mesringil wat kadang ul morseo lagi dari kita ring
Jamal dilas te wadim laga adalo geringi hindi nara to radio talk show tul geringi naria seliol tel sing 95W oh oh 27W misalme gawadim laga dakat mokal girel mangaria dano kal mal miltamal mang naria udodol bladasi el monosera Red Cross الممروس البرنامج تلدي واسرة سورية لو help particular مغاريا لسه البلارول Ministry of Finance أو سه afternoon الموسل مستري أودو hopefully على before إندرا راق early next year يا توب دقيل نيسو أسمع نقول البرنامج اللي بيبيل قال لو help para شو مرانة شو أدري Nagiguk di residential uk mlenga suragal we brablun mel help rigida. So diregal di sodro ay surase ang gora last el wigra ayir nagada mal mrenga sulir tigel bek ladraga qabalmente tira oral provider aygal service rigida bek sales ndim laga du burder tir rogoy mundi el sales un qari atogobet sengar burder tir mukti bok pasan clear. Aise Mal happy birthday mora Aileen Miguel, got Chief for School Management Minister Jenkins. Maria Meizima Teliu, got the regal sensei Kora Elementary Minister Jenkins. Happy birthday. The regal Nadia Bonifacio, got the regal curriculum and instruction. You have to call the Ministry of Education. Minister Obiang, the regal birthday Seibu Ngira Matugur. Road maintenance mo mesang make sure ka happy birthday de asan moring na toring ma diregal police officer trainee za kamrul zaman oh yeah got trainee congratulations happy birthday mori last Chinese more punga accountant tergidra PNOC happy birthday, happy new year. المرار بكلا ده هذا سلو مقلتنا ترجيد الروغو إلى مقلتنا travel واد be safe, stay on the road, get a driver. هذا buckle up. هذا minister ويربلا مال سؤال واسم ديم ده دايس emergency room. المهم من ديم ده دايس كمان مسؤولان. ما next year.